Join us at the 30th Dubai International Boat Show 2024, an event that's more than just boats. It's a trip into luxury, new ideas, and the fun of living by the sea. Picture the beautiful Dubai Marina setting the scene as we show you why this boat show is a must-see. Excited to start the journey? Let's go! First up, we're at the amazing Dubai Harbor. With the Dubai Marina skyline in the background, it feels like we're in a picture. But we're not just here to look. We're diving into the newest stuff in the boating world. We're first checking out the latest equipment for yachts, boats, and diving. Think of this as the gadget show for the ocean. From super advanced maps that could take us to Mars and back, to diving suits that let you swim like a sea superhero, it's all here. And it's not just for show. It's about exploring the sea with confidence and cool gear. Over in the show's real estate area, it's not just any houses. It's the best of living by the water. Imagine this, the top real estate big shots from Dubai, all showing off their newest houses. We're seeing super fancy, amazing homes that make you think you're in a future where everyone lives like kings and queens. Each house and project shows us what it's like to have the ocean as your front yard and dolphins as neighbors. Pretty awesome, right? Moving to the supercars, it was an eye and ear feast. The lineup had the best like Bugatti, Ferrari, Porsche, and Mansory, turning the area into a luxury racetrack. Each car was a work of art, a dream on wheels. And guess what? The Dubai police showed up too, with their new boat-shaped car. It's like they thought, why chase on roads when you can chase on water with style? A must-see for sure, but the biggest stars? The super yachts. We got a special look at some of the most super fancy yachts out there. Think of huge, super luxury boats. We got a special tour of the Sunseeker 88, a super yacht. Walking around it felt like being in a huge fancy house that floats. Every part of it was super fancy, from the beautiful living areas to the decks perfect for enjoying the sun and sea. It showed us what life could be like, where your toughest choice is eating inside or under the stars. The Sunseeker 88 wasn't just a boat. It was a dream on water, and we saw it up close. It's 26 meters long, fits 8 guests, has 4 bedrooms with their own bathrooms, and rooms for 2 crew. Price? About €3 million. As we end our day at the Dubai International Boat Show, it's a little sad. From the newest ocean tech to the height of fancy living, on land and sea, Dibs has it all. It's where love for the sea meets the top of fancy living, and we just had a peek at this amazing world. Thanks for coming along on this great trip. Until next time, keep dreaming big and sailing towards your next adventure.